Hello everyone. What is the main difference between dirty keto diet versus clean keto diet? Let's get to it. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and also click the like button and share it, which helps our channel grow. Thank you for coming. Let's get to it. The main reason I wanted to talk to you about keto diet today is because when you are starting to do intermittent fasting with keto diet, you will benefit the most. And also, intermittent fasting becomes much easier to you to keep on doing it, especially if you wanted to fast for a longer time period. So keep that in mind. And also, if you did not watch the video I shared in the past about intermittent fasting benefit, please check it out. It will help you understand how you can do the intermittent fasting. I'll have the link on the description in the bottom there so you get to it easily. What is a keto diet? A keto diet is a low carb, some protein, a high fat diet which helps your body burn fat more effectively and also turns your body to use fat for energy source instead of sugar or carb. So what is the main difference between dirty keto diet versus a clean keto diet? The main difference between those two is that the quality of food we consume. As we all know, with busy life, it is easy to grab and go and also eat more processed food, which will be a lot easier to end up at the fast foods, which makes it harder to have a healthier lifestyle. But with the simple planning, it can be done. So what is a dirty keto diet? A dirty keto diet focuses on eating high fats and proteins and also avoids carbs completely. The dirty keto diet is heavy in lots of meats, which is not going to be good in the long run. It might cause you some health issues in the long run if you just eat meats all the time. But keep in mind that even dirty keto diet is still a better option than high sugar, high carb, junk foods we've been consuming a lot in the past. On the other hand, clean keto diet will be the best option for a healthier lifestyle all the way, not just the diet. So clean keto usually has a natural green leafy vegetables, lots of seeds and nuts, and also more fish than chicken or beef. And also, clean keto diet avoids processed and packaged foods completely. If you are able to prep your own food, that will be your best option, since you will know exactly what ingredients you'll be adding on your meal. So that will be your best option, so you know what you consume. There's a lot of recipes online, especially on Dr. Berg's channel, which I'll put the link on the description. But when you are on the go and not having an option of cooking your own meal, it's always best to check the content on the menu and really be picky in what you eat. But still, it's better to have a dirty keto versus high carb or sugary meal. So try not to make a daily habit of eating a dirty keto diet, but once in a while it's not bad. As always, remember, what we eat is what we become. So be picky in what you put in your body, because there will not be another body to exchange. So take care the one you have. This is Simon again. Thank you for watching. As always, if you didn't subscribe yet, make sure you do so. And please click the like button and share the video, which might help someone to understand between the difference of those two. Take care, and I'll catch you on the next video.